Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make the second project in the Lots of Fun Paper Pumpkin for December 2021. So this one, we need the banana die cut, we need the hello die cut, and we need the banana stamp, we need the glasses stamp, we need the peel better soon stamp, we need the scatter dot stamp, and we need a smiley face, and there's two smiley faces. We need the larger one so that it fits behind the glasses. We are going to need some of these enamel dots. We're going to need the smaller of the two vellum circles. There's two sizes. We need the smaller one. We need 3 die cuts, the multicolor stripe one, the earliest Brussels stripe one, and then I believe it's mint macaroon one. So let's get started and sort out how we're going to build this. The first thing we need to do is we need to stamp the banana. So that's the first thing we're going to do. I'm just going to peel that off and put it there like that. So we're going to take the banana, and I apologize ahead of time if I get my hair or my head in the frame while I try and line these up. I'm going to do these up on the red piece so it's easier for you to see. I'm just picking up the color, and I have cleaned these and dried them before I used them so that I don't get little missing spots in my ink. So there's the banana stamped down, and we need to put the eyes on. And where do we put the eyes? We put the eyes kind of halfway down like this. Just move the ink pad out of the way. So we're going to pop those down like that. Okay, and now we're going to put the glasses on. So let's just do that. And put the glasses on. Make sure we've got good ink on the glasses. And we do. And then, okay, you're definitely going to get my head in the screen now because I can't see my eyes through. There we go. There we go. Just like that. And so now we've got the glasses on the banana. So, so that's the banana finished. I need to do 2 more different things. So I'm just going to pop the smiley face off, and I'm going to put the scatter dots on. And I need to, it tells me that I need to put some here and some here. So I'm just going to ink these up. Again, making sure I've really inked this up well so I don't have any missing pieces in my dots. And I need to put one down here at the bottom like this. And then I need to ink up again and put another one up top like this. And I apologize if there's background noise. My little dog has come downstairs and decided she needs to dig on the chair. So there's lots of noise in the background. I apologize. So the next thing we need to do is we need to stamp on the greeting. So the greeting on this one is peel better soon. And I'm just going to pop this down on here, and I'm going to take the glasses off here. So I'm just going to drop that down so that it's straight. I'm going to ink it up. So peel better soon. Okay. And then we need to do this towards this edge. And I think I've done this crooked. So if I have, I'll just peel another one. Oh, that one actually turned out quite well. Okay, we're good. These ones are, especially if you're not able to lean right over top, because otherwise you get your head in the frame. So we're not doing too badly here. Now let's look at what we need to do to assemble this. So we need to put adhesive dots on the back of all of these. So I'm just going to pull them down onto this red center so that you can see them. And we need to put, it's saying adhesive dots at the ends of these. So let's get our adhesive dots out. And so we need to put one there like that. and there like that, and like that. And if you're doing this, if you've got a piercing tool, or even take your pick tool, you can use that to help you put these down. Because I'm doing this, and the whole point is that everything you need is in the kit. So I'm doing it without the tools that I would necessarily normally use, because you don't, all I'm using really extra that's not in the kit is a pair of scissors. So let's just take all the backings off here, and let's see what we need to do next. We need to take the banana and the hello, and we need to put dimensionals on the back. Now they're saying 2 dimensionals on the banana, so 1 there and 1 there. And then they're actually telling us, the little scissors are telling us to cut the dimensionals in half on this one, to put on the hello. So I've done that, and let's see if I can fit one. Yeah, one fits just on there like that. And then I need to put one on the H. So let's just see, that H is skinnier, I think. So let's see how it goes on, how it fits. And it does come over the edge just a bit, so I am just going to take my scissors and just trim that a little bit, just so that we don't see that. So there we go. Okay, so now we need to build the card. Oh, and we need one more piece. This one uses quite a few, so I need one of these larger brown pieces here. Okay, so I need to put the adhesive dots on here. So kind of 1 in each corner like this. And we need 2 more. 1 in this corner and 1 in this corner. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we're going to pull the card base back in, and I think we need to start adding things to the card base. So here we go. And this needs to go kind of in the middle here, like that. And then we need to build the hello, and that's what we were doing up here. So what we're doing up here is we're taking the vellum. Oh, and I flipped this over now. So we're putting everything on the vellum. So we're going to start with this piece here, and I'm going to add another adhesive dot or 2 in the middle, like this. Okay, so these are truly build on the fly. Like, I don't build these ahead of time and then put it together on the video. I actually do build it following the instructions. So then we've got that piece. Then I need to take this piece and put it so it lines up almost at this end towards the top, and then like that. And then my feel better soon, or peel better soon, goes here like that. And then the banana goes down, and we put the banana like this, and we put the hello above everything on here. So we do that like this. Okay. And I stuck it down to my surface. So we've got this whole unit now. So we need to turn it over. and we need to put adhesive dots on the back. We need to put one up here like that, and then one here, and then one here like this. I hope I'm still in frame while I'm doing all of this. Okay, so now we've got this done. I'm just going to peel the backs off of these ones. And we're going to put this whole unit down like this. Okay, so there we go. So we've got that whole unit put down. Perfect. Okay, so what I need to do is I need my piece of this twine, the linen thread, and I need to make a bow. So we're going to do this the old-fashioned bunny ears way and just loop it through. And I'm just going to pull my ends tight so that I don't have huge loops on this. Okay, there we go. Pull this down. Okay, and then I need to just trim my ends. And I'm going to use the adhesive dots. I'm going to stick that down, pull it up. And then this goes right on the end, and I'm just going to fold my adhesive dot in a little bit just so that it doesn't show. And this goes on the end like that. And then we need to put our enamel dots down. So I need the yellow ones, and I'm going to put one down here like this, and then I need to put a couple up at the top like this. And again, a take your pick or a pierce tool would be really good with this. One goes there, and then another one goes there. Smooth that down a bit. There we go. So that is the second project in the Lots of Fun paper pumpkin kit. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for the third project.